Dear friends, welcome to this guided meditation by My Journey Studio. Today, we're working with your vagus nerve. This will activate your body's natural healing power. Your vagus nerve is your body's rest and relax system. It connects your brain to your heart, lungs, and digestive system. When the vagus nerve is activated, everything in your body starts to calm down and heal. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. You may sit with your back supported or lie down, whatever feels best today. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Feel the sensation of your body rising and falling. Your body knows how to heal itself. We're just going to help it remember. Take a deep breath in through your nose, expanding your belly, and exhale slowly through your mouth with a gentle ah. Again, breathing in and exhaling with one more time, inhaling and exhaling. Now, place both hands on your thighs if you are sitting, or by your sides if you are lying down. Now, we'll use special breathing to activate your vagus nerve. This is called 4-2-6 breathing. Breathe in slowly through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause for 2 counts. 1, 2. Now exhale slowly through your nose for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel your chest and shoulders soften as you breathe out. Let's continue this healing rhythm. Breathe in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause for 2. 1, 2. Breathe out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel how your whole body begins to slow down with this breathing. Continue with this rhythm for 5 more rounds on your own, keeping that longer and slower exhale. Let's add in B breath. In yoga, we call it Brahmari breath, and it really soothes your vagus nerve. This ancient breathing technique creates vibrations. It's like giving your vagus nerve a gentle massage. Keep your mouth closed and make a humming sound when you exhale. Just like a bee buzzing. Let's do this together. Take a breath in through your nose. And as you exhale, make a soft humming sound. Feel the vibration in your throat, chest, and head. Let's try it again. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out slowly. Notice how this vibration creates a sense of inner calm and peace. Continue with a few more rounds at your own pace. Breathe in and hum out. Feel how the vibration travels through your whole body. Every hum is like a healing message. Your vagus nerve delivers it to all your organs. Continue for a few more breaths on your own. Feel how the vibrations create space and ease within you. Your heart rate slows down. Your digestion works better. Your immune systems get stronger. The vibrations remind every cell in your body that it is safe to rest and repair. Return to your natural breathing now. Give your body a moment of gratitude. It works so hard to keep you healthy. Your healing system is always with you. You can use it anytime. When you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes and gently open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this healing practice with me. Wishing you inner peace and vitality. Sending you love and light. Namaskar.